it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas, December the 10th. The perfect 10 is learn to use social media wisely. Now, I've talked about some of the things that you're looking forward to, reinventing yourself. You've got goals, you make plans, you have a schedule. I've talked about some of the things in the past, looking back, recognizing your mistakes, also celebrating your accomplishments. I've kind of given you some instructions of what to do presently, learn to say no, and also to have your day off. But you're going to have to watch your social media. Now, right now you're watching this video, you're on social media. But let me tell you, if you have this extra time, it's going to be such a rabbit hole. So if you enjoy being on YouTube, I hope you are. If you enjoy spending time on Facebook, Instagram, whatever your social media that you love, put it in your schedule. Remember I told you have a schedule? Make it part of your daily schedule. And keep at it. Say, okay, this 30 minutes I'm going to spend on YouTube. Watch Reinventing You. Watch the other channels that you enjoy. But once your 30 minutes is done, boom, that's it. You need to stop. Because let me tell you, I get on social media. It doesn't matter what it is. I will get caught down the rabbit hole. And I'll watch a video. And I'll read this meme. And I'll do this. And I'll respond to that. You have got to limit yourself. Because it's great to connect with people through social media, but you don't want to spend all day. That's not a great way to use your time in retirement. You have to learn to use social media wisely. And that is what I recommend, number 10, after you retire. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.